Today, I'm actually doing a cam sensor. And on this is a 3.5 Honda. It's in a Pilot. I like these motors, but they are an issue when it comes to putting on a timing belt. And especially this sensor, which is right there. You see the little black cap sticking out and the wiring's back in the back there? That is the cam location sensor. So I've got the water pump on it, getting ready to pull this cover off here and put the cam sensor in. And then I'll get the timing belt back on it. And this one's got 190,000 miles on it, so it gets a water pump, it gets the whole kit with pulleys and tensioners and everything, which is kind of rare, because if it doesn't show wear, I'm not replacing it with an aftermarket part that's probably going to wear out before the factory part. But yeah, this is a 3.5 Honda.